Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro-dollar currency pair saw volatility last week as the dollar swayed lower and then higher as traders remain concerned that due to high inflation, interest rates might increase next year, rather than in 2023 as currently projected by the Fed. The British pound continued to fall last week as fears grow that the country may be forced to delay its July the 19th reopening date after an increase in infections caused by the Delta variant of COVID. Gold prices continue to remain flat over the past week. Gold bugs appear to have lost some interest in the precious metal since the Fed projected 2 rate hikes instead of 1 in 2023. And comments from Fed Chair Powell last week and other officials have not managed to reverse negative sentiment. US stock indices saw continued volatility last week as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq saw fresh all-time highs. Continued positivity on the prospects of the US economy and generally optimistic data underpinned the move higher. Virgin Galactic's stock price meanwhile skyrocketed by over 38% in one day after the company was issued US approval for space travel. Oil prices hit fresh highs not seen since October 2018, continuing their long-term uptrend. OPEC, which will hold their next meeting on July the 1st, and members will decide on a new production deal. Analysts estimate that OPEC may consider adding 500,000 barrels per day to production from August. Meanwhile, talks on the Iranian nuclear deal between that country and the US, which would see the ending of oil sanctions, will continue next week. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.